Hey guys, in this video, I will show you top 7 apps that work seamlessly with Monzo. All right, let's begin. Monzo has revolutionized the way people manage money by combining smart features with a user-friendly mobile interface. But the real magic happens when you connect Monzo with third-party apps that enhance budgeting, saving, and financial tracking. These integrations take your digital banking to the next level by adding automation, insights, and control. So let's explore the top 7 apps that work seamlessly with Monzo to make your financial life smarter and more efficient. First up is Emma, a powerful money management app that connects with Monzo to track your spending, subscriptions, and bank balances across multiple accounts. Emma gives you visual insights into your money habits and alerts you to potential waste like unused subscriptions. It's perfect for users who want a broader financial view without switching between multiple banking apps. Next is IFTTT, If This Then That, which is ideal for users who love automation. By linking Monzo with IFTTT, you can create custom rules like saving $1 every time you buy coffee or receiving a Slack message when your Monzo balance drops below a certain amount. These applets make it easy to automate savings, alerts, and other triggers without any coding. Number 3 is Money Coach. Money Coach is a personal finance app that helps you track expenses, set budgets, and manage your money. It works across Apple devices, supports multiple currencies, and offers smart features like goal tracking and detailed reports. It's secure, easy to use, and available in both free and premium versions. Splitwise is another excellent companion app for Monzo, especially when you're sharing costs with friends. Whether it's rent, dinner, or group trips, Splitwise makes splitting bills simple. And since Monzo supports easy transfers via links and contact names, settling up after using Splitwise is quick and seamless. Snoop is a newer money-saving app that pairs well with Monzo by analyzing your transactions and suggesting ways to cut costs. It monitors your bills, subscriptions, and spending trends and sends you tips that can actually help you save hundreds per year. With Monzo's clear transaction data, Snoop's recommendations become even more precise. For investing, Plum is a strong option. Once connected to your Monzo account, Plum analyzes your spending patterns and automatically sets aside small amounts of money for savings or investment. You can choose between different risk levels, making it easy to start investing without any manual effort. Lastly, we have MoneyHub, a premium app designed for deep financial insights and planning. It works beautifully with Monzo and offers tools like financial forecasting, net worth tracking, and even pension insights. It's especially useful for users who want to take full control over their long-term financial health. So, in order to supercharge your Monzo experience, you have to follow these steps. Choose the apps that align with your financial goals, whether it's automation, saving, budgeting, or investing, and link them directly with your Monzo account. Together, these 7 apps can help you make smarter decisions, stay on top of your money, and reach your financial goals faster and with less effort. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.